Hello children, how are you? Hope you are all fine. I, Jayati Chaudhary, today I am going to discuss with you Science of Class 3, Chapter 7, Plant Life, page number 62. Please open the chapter and let's start. Plants grow all around us, on land, in water, in forest, in desert, and even in cold regions. There are different kinds of plants around us. Some are big and some are small. Some grow on their own while some are planted by us. All living things depend on plants for their food. That is why they are an important part of our lives. As we have seen, everywhere plants are growing up, on land, in water, in forest, in desert, and even in the cold regions. Somewhere they are going on their own, whereas somewhere we are going to plant them. Directly or indirectly, what we see, we all depend on plants for our food. That is why plants are going to be very important in our lives. Next we are coming to parts of plant. Plants have many parts. These parts perform different functions. Let us learn more about the different parts of a plant. A plant has two main parts. The root grows under the ground. The part that grows above the ground is called the shoot. The stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits are all parts of the shoot. As you can see, the part of the plant above the soil that you can see is called the shoot. The part of the plant that is below the soil, which you cannot see, is called the root. The shoot has a stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Please come to page number 63. We are starting with roots. Thread-like structures growing under the ground are roots. They hold the plant firmly in the soil. They absorb water and minerals from the soil and send them to all parts of the plant. They store food for the plant such as carrot, radish, etc. Roots bind the soil together with the plant, keeping it at one place. They grow in the direction where they find the right amount of air, water and nutrients. There are two types of root. Number 1, taproot and number 2, fibrous root. Taproot. It is a thick and long root that goes deep into the soil. Smaller and thinner roots grow from this long root. Radish, turnip and carrot are examples of plant with taproot. Fibrous root. It is a group of equal sized roots that does not go very deep into the soil. They spread out sideways near the surface of the soil. Rice, wheat, corn, grass are examples of plants that have fibrous root. Next we are starting with the stem. The stem is the main part of the shoot. It helps the plant to stand up. Branches grow from the stem. Leaves, flowers and fruits grow on the branches. A stem of a tree is called trunk. Water and minerals from the roots travel up the stem and the branches to reach the leaves. The food made in the leaves goes through the branches and stem to other parts of the plant. The stem has tube-like drinking straws inside it. These help water, minerals and food to go up and down. Stems of some plants such as potato, ginger and sugarcane store food. We eat these stems. So what we have seen, first of all, plants are growing all around us. Some are big, some are small. Plants are going to be very important because they are going to give us food. Then we have seen parts of plant. We have seen there are going to be two main parts. First part is going to be known as the root, which is going to grow below the ground. That is going to be known as the root, and the part which is going to be above the ground that we can see is going to be known as the shoot. Next we have seen root, very important. The main functions of the root, that it holds the plant firmly in the soil and it going to absorb water and minerals from the soil and send them to all parts of the plant. And another main important function is going to be they are going to store food for the plant. Next we have seen there are going to be two types of roots. One is going to be known as taproot, another one is going to be known as the fibrous root. Next part we have seen today, that is the stem. The stem is going to be the main part of the shoot. It helps the plant to stand up. Many branches are growing out from the stem. The leaves, flowers and fruits all are going to be growing on the branches. And a stem of a tree is going to be known as trunk. Children, the next part of the chapter we are going to discuss with you on the next class. Now we are going to discuss some question answer with you. First we are coming to question number 1. What are the functions of root? The roots hold the plant firmly in the soil and absorb water and minerals from the soil and send them to all parts of the plant. Question number 2. How is a taproot different from a fibrous root? Answer: taproot, the main root that grows from the base of the stem, is called a taproot. Example: carrot. Fibrous root, a bunch of thin and small roots that grow from the base of the stem, is called a fibrous root. Example: rice. Question number 3. What is a root and a shoot? Answer: the part of the plant that grows under the ground is called the root. The part of the plant that grows above the ground is called the shoot. Coming to question number 4. What is a stem? Answer: the stem is the main part of the shoot. It helps the plant to stand up and carries water, minerals and food to different parts of the plant. So now children, please read the chapter very nicely and then do the question answer and objectives in your science interleaf copy. Thank you.